If you're looking for an award-winning active adult community, a low-maintenance lifestyle, and new home specifically designed for active adults, then now is a great time to take a look at Cresswind Peachtree City. This fall will be an exciting time as Cresswind is planning to release new home sites throughout the coming months, so you can choose from multiple home designs to build your ideal new home. Choose from a variety of floor plans and select the plan that best suits your lifestyle. Then you can personalize with an array of options within our on-site design gallery. You could turn your flexible living space into a home office. If you love cooking, create your own gourmet kitchen. Some home sites even offer daylight basements that you can personalize to fit your needs. Almost anything is possible with expert guidance from the professional designers at Kolter Homes. At the resort-inspired 17,000 square foot clubhouse with fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis, pickleball and bocce ball courts, and a diversity of clubs, residents can enjoy Cresswind's award-winning 55+ lifestyle program designed around the cornerstones of fitness, relationships, education, and entertainment. Cresswind Peachtree City is located 25 minutes from the airport and 30 minutes from downtown Atlanta. The community is conveniently connected to more than 100 miles of golf cart paths, so you're never more than a short ride from Peachtree City shopping and dining, as well as numerous lakes and golf courses. Plus, Peachtree City is consistently ranked as one of the safest cities in Georgia. Now is the perfect time to discover Cresswind Peachtree City. The Welcome Center and 11 designer-decorated models are open daily to tour. Or visit us online at cresswindpeachtreecity.com.